Get back in.
We have technical difficulty.
Stand by. All right, Richard. Good catch.
See that instant replay. Near mid-air disaster.
I love these expressions. Let me do my reading.
We'll slow-mo that.
Check.
Oh, too late. I unplugged it now.
Habitat.
Rich, we still lined up?
Yeah. Follow the ball, Rich.
That would be interesting.
Yeah, ball. Rich knows the mark. He goes stand it now.
I know you
That great.
Perfect circle. Let's do it.
No, not catch. Kick. All right. Right. Yeah. Looking good.
I already had it.
Come on.
That is Chuck.
Ah! Unnecessary sound there.
That's the radio.
Diggy, diggy. Ah, oh.
At the end of the thing, we're going to have in the captions, Rich, sound effects.
Thanks, Mike.
Richard Chadwick sound effects.
Hey, Mike, you want to put it on the radio so it turns back on.
What's in it for me?
Extended break.
Can I get a beer?
Yeah. You buying? already. He's gonna.
He's getting hacky shy.
Yeah, get them stuff.
Time for this.
This, you gotta mess with this cord out.
Yo.
Ready for her.
My solo.
You're so low.
Oh yeah.
You're so low you can't get up?
Never. Thought you was gonna fix the radio, Mike. Oh, the camera got out.
Good shot, man.
What happened? What happened? Really, right? Yeah.
It's like Brent's in another world. Bang.
Brent is in another world.
Popped in the reality.
Walking in Wonderland.
Yeah. I was gonna.
Brent.
You're gonna too.
Earth Brent. Come in, Brent.
What time is it, Mike?
1, 2, 3, kick. 25.
What?
You may want to go back to work sometime today.
I doubt it.
You may not. In your case, Jack, you may want to start work.
I doubt that very seriously.
Yo, complexion.
Hey, Big River!
Get it out!
We're trying.
Get it up! Keep it up! La la la.
Boom. That was almost time. Perfect.
Right between the eyes. Again, we got it. Looking good. Play it. Yeah. Ready.
Hello!
Foul.
Okay, we'll go this way.
Let's hit the goddamn ball.
You coming? Yeah, wrong foot.
Bring it in, sir.
Bring it in. Well, that's all I have to take.
He's already got it.
That's the line ball.
In
In the bathroom.
I like the hand thing on this guy's.
Why?
This is pretty.
Come on, Brent, get us higher.
I'm working on it. Hey, I can spit on Rich from here.
Do it! Hey, we're getting up there pretty high, huh?
Yeah, we certainly are. If anybody fucks with those controls down there, I'll kill it.
Brian will do it too. Smoggy day.
Jesus, that's a long way to fall.
Sure is, we die.
Fucking A, we died. Let's get us up high enough so we wouldn't lay there and be in pain for a while.
Yeah. Brent.
What?
Long way.
Fuck you, man. I ain't gonna do that.
What?
He wants me to rotate. I ain't going to rotate this on, bitch. Let's see what's this say. Automatic protective valves are designed to prevent booms from reaching an over-center condition. Oh, that's good. This system malfunction, booms could reach an unstable over-center position.
Well, I'm glad we're reading the warning signs now that we're already at 35,000 feet.
Do not operate the unit with an over-center condition. Oh,